I love a good Trans Am. At the Hillsborough Concours, the Elegance, and I noticed this beautiful 1979 10th anniversary silver anniversary Trans Am. Just beautiful. This guy has done a complete and thorough restoration, right down to the shell, built it from the ground up. The quality of restoration on this car is just impeccable, and it did win first in class of all the muscle cars. It beat out all the Mopars and Chevys and everything. It's just amazing. They made 7,500 of these cars, 403 automatic for most of them. They've made a few 400 Pontiac powered 4-speed cars. This thing is just beautiful. Some of the special features are red backlit gauges, like aircraft style, really cool silver upholstery with embroidery. Just beautiful. Silver mirrored T-tops. And believe it or not, this was the very first car I ever drove. My grandfather Vito worked at Lawless Cadillac Pontiac in Worcester, Massachusetts. I was 15 years old. He goes, "Hey, it's about time you learn how to drive. Let's take this one." And I'm like, oh my God, my jaw almost dropped. I mean, everybody wanted one of these cars when they were new, and this was the very first car I got to drive, 15 years old. My very first driving experience. There's a good look at this 403 automatic. Just detailed, just incredibly. I mean, it only makes 185 horsepower. Not much by today's standard. And even the 4-speed cars only made just a little over 200 horsepower, I think. 220 horsepower for the 4-speed cars. But this car is really, really special when it's new. It's special and fun to look at now. I just really enjoy these cars. And thanks for watching. And catch you next time in the garage.